Alright, in this video, we will cover three problems right from 2005, 2006 and 2007. Let's start with the first question. The first term of an infinite geometric sequence is 18. So please write down each value in terms of their notation. First term is u1 is given as 18 and third term u3 is given as 8. There are two possible sequences. That means you need to find out two values of r. Obviously we know u1, we don't know u2, so we cannot find a ratio, but we know u3, so we have to use the term formula. So in this case, if I'm using a term formula for the geometric sequence, which is un is equal to u1 times r raised to n minus 1. I'm writing u3 below un, so this gives me idea that n is my 3. u1 is given as 18, r we don't know, 3 minus 1. u3 is 8, so 8 is equal to 18 times r raised to 2. Divide both sides by 18, so 8 over 18 is equal to r raised to 2. Gives you r square is equal to, cancel out the common factor, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 9 is 18, 4 over 9. Whenever you take a square root, you always get two values, positive or negative. Square root of 4 over 9, which gives you positive or negative 2 over 3. Two values of r indicates two sequences with the common first term, which is u1 is given as 18. Now in both sequences we need to find out the sum, but we cannot use this normal formula of geometric sequence. It's an infinite geometric sequence, so there is only one formula for the infinite geometric sequence. First, u1 is equal to 18 and r is equal to plus 2 upon 3. Second, u1 is equal to 18 and r is equal to minus 2 over 3. Sum of infinite geometric sequence is S infinity is u1 over 1 minus r. So u1 in this case is 18 over 1 minus 2 over 3. You are not allowed to use a calculator, so you need to make the base same. So S infinity is equal to 18 over 1 over 1 minus 2 over 3 is 3, cross multiply, 3 minus 2 over 1 into 3 is 3, which is 18 over 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 over 3. So S infinity is equal to, if you don't know how to do the fractional division, you always write like this. Division, this is the main division sign, and write down 1 over 3 as it is. This gives you 18. When you convert division into multiplication, they will switch their position. 1 over 3 becomes 3 over 1. So S infinity in the first condition is 54. Now we will repeat the same thing for the second sequence. Again, I am using the same formula. S infinity is equal to u1 over 1 minus r. u1 in this case again 18, but r is negative 2 over 3. So 1 minus 2 over 3. So S infinity is equal to 18 over 1 plus 2 over 3. Again, you need to make the base same. The base of first one is 1. 18 over, do cross multiplication, 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2 over 3. So S infinity is equal to 18 divide 5 over 3. When you convert division into multiplication, this will flip. 5 over 3 becomes 3 over 5. So your second sum to infinity is 54 over 5. This is the answer of first part. Let's move ahead. 2006. Consider the infinite geometric series 405 plus 270 plus 180. As you can see, it's a series. The middle sign is not comma, it's positive or negative. Right now in this case, it's only positive. So again, find this series. For this series, find a common ratio giving your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So in this part, your ratio is equal to 270 over 405 is same as 180 over 270. It's easy to do the second part. 0 and 0 get cancelled. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. 6 over 9, they said simplest form, so this is not 6 over 9. This again have a common factor. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3. So the final answer is 2 over 3. B part. Find the 15th term of the series. 15th term, you need to use UN formula. U1 times R raised to n minus 1. 15th term, that means U15. U1, which is 405. R is 2 over 3. N is 15 minus, the rest to power is 15 minus 1. So U15 is equal to 405 times 2 over 3 raised to 14. Now you are allowed to use a calculator. So if you will type 2 over 3, take raised to power of that 14, multiply by 405, you will get U15 is equal to 1.39. C part. Find the exact value of the sum of the infinite series. Exact means what? Without decimals. So like the way we have expressed our B answer in decimal, we do not write down that answer in decimal. Sum of infinite series, they clearly said yes. Why it's infinite? Because your ratio R is 2 by 3, which is less than 1. So we will use the formula S infinity is equal to U1 over 1 minus R. U1 is 405. 1 minus R value we already found out 2 over 3. As I told you that they want only exact answer, so please do not find out the decimal of this. 405, 1 minus 2 over 3, I am making the base same, becomes 3 minus 2 over 3. So S infinity is equal to 405 over 3 minus 2 is 1 over 3, which is 405 division 1 over 3, which is 405 times 3 over 1, because you convert division into multiplication. So your final answer S infinity is equal to 405 times 3 divided by 1 is 1215. This is the answer of second part. Now we are moving on the last problem of this video. 2007. Again, it is an infinite geometric sequence. They've said find common ratio. So U1 is 25, U2 is 5, U3 is 1, U4 is 0.2. So you can pick up any two consecutive terms. I can take u2 over u1, you can take u3 over u2 also, but don't skip in middle term. So r is equal to 5 over 25, which is 1 over 5, which is basically 0.2. You can write 1 over 5 also, or you can write 0.2 also. B part, find the 10th term. So 10th term, that means u10 is equal to u1 times r raised to 10 minus 1, which is u1 is given as 25, r we know that is 0.2, raised to 10 minus 1 is 9. If I'll type this, first you need to take 0.2 raised to 9. Please do not round up this answer. Whatever answer you are getting, multiply by finally 25. You will get the final answer as 1.28 into 10 raised to minus 5. Or you can write down the same answer as 0.00005 zeros and then write 128 without decimal. You can write any answer, you will get the same, you will get the equal marks. Second part, an expression for the nth term. So you will write down un is equal to u1, which is what, 25, times your r is what, 1 over 5 raised to n minus 1. That's it. This is your second part. Now C part, find the sum of infinite sequence. Again, you need to use the same formula. S infinity is equal to u1 over 1 minus r. u1 is 25 over 1 minus r is 0.2. This equation, it becomes 25 over 0.8, and 25 divided by 0.8 is 31.25. This is the answer of your third question. Thank you.